Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Don't give me over pressure. Please don't. Excellent hairstyle.
Thank you so much. You are married?
Hi. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hey, how?
Where are you from?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Do you live in your capital city, Addis Ababa? Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. This is your country, Ethiopia. Look at.
Have you been here? I mean, in Ethiopia.
I didn't visit. I didn't visit Ethiopia never.
Um,
But what time is it now in Ethiopia?
it's almost 20
3 p.m. in the afternoon.
in the night. Yeah.
3 p.m. Just here in your
the
country,
night, yeah.
Bangladesh, 11 p.m. at night. But there are so much difference. Have you ever visited our country, Bangladesh? Have you ever visited?
No.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Is that necessary?
Oh, it's a simple question for you. You can ask, you can reply or no, there is no problem. But I am asking you, are you a student or do you study? Reading, writing?
No. I'm working.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. Basically, I am private teacher. I teach English and mathematics.
Oh, nice.
What is your favorite hobby?
Oh, I think listening music.
What kind of song do you like to hear most of the time? English or your mother tongue?
Yeah, English.
English song.
No, English.
Do you believe in friendship at present situation?
Yeah, you mean friendship?
Friendship? What do you mean by friendship? Please explain about this matter in detail.
I don't know. What does it mean?
Friendship means...
Can you explain?
Yeah. Friendship means mutual understanding between two people or two or more people.
Yeah, two people.
How do you spend your free time? Most of the free time, how do you pass your leisure time?
Here.
By hearing, listening music.
Yeah, maybe.
Recently, have you ever visited any countries all over the world?
No.
Also me, I didn't visit any country. If I get a free time, I will visit in Africa.
Ethiopia.
Oh, Ethiopia. Actually, how is Ethiopia about environment at this moment? Summer season or spring is continuously running.
Okay, the weather. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know.
Here in our country, Bangladesh, spring season is continuously running. Really?
I don't know anything about Ethiopia, bro. Someone is asking me.
What is your future plan of life? What do you want to do in future? Your future plan of life?
I have no idea. I'm just living. I don't know. I don't have any plan. I don't know. Sometimes things it happened. Sometimes you feel like this. Just don't have any plans. You just live.
How have you learned English so fast? Confidently?
No, I'm not that perfect. I can try to talk but I'm not that perfect.
Who is your inspiration? Talking to each other fluently?
English?
Yeah.
No, I don't have any inspiration. Like I, in the past, when I was younger, I mean, when I was a teenager, I used to watch movies with a subtitle, English subtitle. I think that's how I learned it.
Always you watch English movies with subtitles. Really?
No, it's not English. No, it's not English. It's not English movie. It's a Korean movie. Do you know Korea?
Your mother tongue, Ethiopian movie with subtitle.
No. Korea.
Korean movies. You watch?
Yes. Yeah. With the subtitle. They have English subtitles.
Okay, however,
someone is like here. Someone is asking you, if he read those
yes, I want the answer.
He said, "Tell us about Ethiopia, whatever you know."
Okay, please listen. Uh, do you follow American pronunciation, American accent, or British accent? About the field of English learning, do you use American accent?
I have no idea.
No,
I
no.
don't know.
But school, college, or university, which system do you follow? American English
I
or
think
British English?
British. I think it's American English. I think British English is like a little bit hard.
Why do you use American English most of the time?
I don't know.
But
Maybe it's easier.
okay, okay, but in our country, Bangladesh, also we follow all the time American English. It is very easy.
Yeah, I think it's all over the country except for England.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, Simon. Okay, go ahead. Astamarino Lezano.
Basically, what is your religion?
Oh, my religion. Okay. I'm a Christian Orthodox.
Oh, just also me, Muslim. I'm Muslim. Okay, there is no
Yeah,
problem.
there's Toto.
Yeah.
He doesn't even know about Tawhid.
Okay, okay.
You know Christian, right?
No, I'm Muslim. Muslim. Musulman.
Oh, yeah, I know, I understand.
Okay. Have you completed your higher education? School, college, or university?
Yeah, I have a bachelor degree.
In which subject have you completed?
I graduated like with a fashion design.
Fashion design. Oh wow, nice subject. Nice. Actually, you are
Thank you.
look like fashionable. Actually, reality.
Oh, thank you.
Actually,
Oh, thank you, Simona.
this subject is demandable at present. Fashionable. Also, in Bangladesh, it is very important and it is very necessary. It is essential. However, how old are you at present?
Here in Ethiopia, it's forbidden to ask a girl's age.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, like it's bad thing.
I think
Like if
that
you just ask a girl how old she is, I think she will be mad.
there is no privacy. I think that it is simple. No privacy here. It's simple. I am 30 years old right now.
Oh,
Also,
okay, guys.
also 25. I think that you are 25 right now.
No, I'm not. Someone is telling you like she's 18.
Yeah. 18. Oh, okay. Do you like shopping on your festivals?
Yeah, like every girl loves shopping.
But why do you like most shopping?
I think we love, I don't know.
Because you are a student of fashionable.
Yeah, thank you. It's a girl thing.
You are a student of fashionable as according to your subject.
Yeah.
That is why it is simple. Buying clothing, anything.
No, I mean, like, it's not just me. It's not just me. Like, every girl loves shopping.
But why? Why every girl likes
I don't know. We
to
just
buy
love it.
shopping? What is the reason behind
I
it?
don't know.
Really?
I don't know.
You
I
don't,
have no idea.
you don't know? You don't have any idea about
I
this
think
matter?
it's our nature.
It is
Maybe
natural.
it's our nature.
Nature. It is natural.
Yeah.
Yeah. But your speaking style is fine. Good. Excellent speaking style. I appreciate for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Right. Have you any questions about me? Your hairstyle.
Simon.
Your hairstyle is artificial or natural? Color. Hair color.
No, it's mine. This is mine. It's natural.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do you like it?
How long are you? Tall. How long are you? How many feet? How many feet?
164.
160.
I'm 164.
I am
64.
5 feet 5 inch. 5 feet 5 inch.
Can you tell me like in centimeter?
Please stand up.
In
Stand up.
centimeter.
Stand up.
170 አይደለውም Simon. I think it will be a little bit hard.
Oh, really? Main festival do you celebrate every year?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. Thank you. According to your health condition, you are thin. You are not so fat. Excellent.
No, I'm not fat.
Excellent. What is the name of your main festival? Do you celebrate?
I think we have a New Year.
New Year.
Ashanda festival.
31st night. Festival.
Yeah, it's for the girls. Yeah. Here my friend is telling me that we have a festival. It's for the girls.
Our main festival.
Only for the girls.
We celebrate main festival. We are Muslim. Idul Adha and Idul Fitr. Two festival we are celebrate every year.
Oh, it's for the Muslims.
Muslims. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. We also have that kind of festival. Like I think there is Christmas. Another thing. I think 3 or 4. We have. I think 4. We have 4 festivals for Christian Muslims.
Do you like to live city life or village life at present?
I think city life. I don't like village life.
But why do you like most city life?
Because I already become familiar with the lifestyle. Maybe that's why.
Lifestyle is exceptional. That is why. But I like to live village life. I can get so much.
Why?
I can get so much benefits by living here. Actually, our village environment is good, calm and quiet. But city life I don't like because it is noisy. Everywhere sounds, more and more sounds. I don't like. Really. And
like it depends on the person.
Yeah, we can get pure drinking water as a village life, but we don't get any pure drinking water in city life. It is very complicated.
Tommy, thank you.
Wow, you are giving me pressure.
So
you are giving me over pressure, but why?
Yeah.
Why? Who?
Thank you, Tommy. Thank you. Yeah, Nelly.
Who is giving me over pressure? I don't know. I don't know. Please, don't give me over pressure. Please don't give me. Please, friend, don't give me. I have no supporter. Only me. Please, friends, help me to win this PK. Actually, your hair color and your hairstyle I like most. Excellent hairstyle. Really.
Thank you so much.
From this do you earn money from this platform right now?
It been a week since I start this live streaming. It been a week.
Oh, really?
I'm new here.
Are you new? Oh.
Yeah. How long have you been here?
Just I have been using this app 1 year or more. Anybody cannot send me any gift. Anybody cannot send me any beans because I am male. As you female, you are getting so much benefit by live streaming. Really.
You are married?
No, I am unmarried, single. Thank you so much for staying with me still. Bye bye.
Thank you. Yeah, me too. Thank you so much.